Hi, my name is Philip from Specialized Solar. The purpose of this video is to show you how to install the level 5 HandiPower range. The purpose of this unit is a UPS, a backup system. The inverter is mounted inside this unit where you can see the actual status of the relevant LEDs. You have your AC input, your output, essentials, non-essentials. You have a fuse for the battery, on-off switch for the inverter, color control, and the BMS for charging the lithium battery, which is enclosed in this area. The tools required is a spirit level, socket set, tape measure, a SDS drill bit together with a Mataba or a Hilti drill, 3 roll bolts, 10mm M10 with a 16mm drill bit, and a marker. During shipping, the unit is shipped with 2 brackets. Kindly remove the 2 brackets from the unit, as these brackets will not be used during the installation process. The installation areas of great importance, and the following needs to be considered. Once installed in a corner, you need to allow 150mm from the right of the unit, as well as the left and the top, in order for natural convection or cooling to take place, since the unit will be installed 1.8 meter above floor level. The level 5 unit has been designed to use a hanger bracket in order to mount against the wall. Keep in mind the unit weighs around 150 kilograms. The height of the bracket will be installed at a level of 1.8 meter and 300 millimeters from the corner of the wall. Once you've determined those distances, use a spirit level, mark the holes, and then drill the 3 holes by means of the 16mm SDS drill. The bottom bracket needs to be fixed to the unit in the following sequence. Take care of the position of the cutout of the plate. The purpose of this bracket is to secure the unit once it hangs on the other bracket onto the wall. The next procedure is to hang the unit onto the wall. Take care, since the unit weighs in the region of 150 kilograms, and therefore we would require 4 people in order to lift the unit high enough. Take care not to damage your fingers, and take care of the small clearances behind the unit. Once the unit hangs in place, the final step would be to secure the unit against the wall using the 2 big holes in the bottom bracket by using the SDS 16mm together with 2 M10 roll bolts.